Okay, so today Rocky gonna eat breakfast with me this morning. So what he had today is some rice. Okay, you want rice? Good boy. Yeah, good boy. See? Is that good? Yeah. Well, no, you don't want white rice. You want meat. Okay. Yeah. No, you don't want it? Oh my goodness, he's so smart. He don't want white rice. He want real meat. Good. Here's some veggie, okay? Mommy put some veggie right here for you. So are you gonna eat it? Yeah? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So eat breakfast with mommy, huh? Okay, let me see if I just put rice only and see if he still wanna eat it or not. You wanna still eat it? No, he don't wanna eat it. Okay, so yeah, mommy put some veggie here. How about this? Look at this, guys. Now he eat it. Good boy. Here's some meat for Rocky. You don't want it? You don't want it? Okay, yes, mommy put some veggie. Oh my goodness, he wants something on top of it. Okay. Good boy. Here's some meat for you. Good. See, mommy and Rock just wake up this morning. So this is the breakfast. It's 10:02 right now. Here you go. Good boy. Is it good? Wait. So I give him just the rice only. He don't want it. And now, mommy put something over, okay? You want to smell it? Good boy. Does it taste good? You like it? Wait. Hold on. Good boy. White rice good? Rocky? Want it? Oh my, look at this. Look. All the rice over mommy's hand. See? No, you don't want it? Okay, here, give you some meat. Good boy. Okay, now it's mommy turn, okay? Mommy breakfast turn. Hold on, let me wash my hand, okay? Wait. Good boy, stay right there. See? Rock is very good, very calm and very patient boy right here. Now it's mommy turn, okay? Alright? You got tummy full yet? Okay, this is his plate. And then he ate all the meat and the veggie and left the rice. He don't want plain though, he wants something on it. There's no more, Rocky. You want white rice? You want white rice? No? Okay, this is mommy turn, okay? It's mommy turn. Look at how chunky he is. Okay, say bye. Now it's mommy turn to eat breakfast, okay? Bye.